Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple just announced its new high-end iPhones, the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. They're made of titanium, they have action buttons, and Apple promises they're the most powerful smartphones Apple has ever made. The 15 Pro starts at $999 with 128 gigabytes of storage, and the Pro Max at $1,199 with 256 gigabytes of storage. Both will be available for pre-order this Friday and on sale September 22nd. This year's Pro has a 6.1-inch screen, and the Pro Max has a 6.7-inch display, same as the new iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Both are powered by the A15 Pro chip, which Apple says has the fastest performance in any smartphone and can even challenge some high-end PCs. Along with a redesigned GPU, Apple seems to think these devices could be poised to level up the kinds of games you can play on your phone. Both phones, of course, have a USB-C port on the bottom rather than the old Lightning port. But in the Pro's case, it could be for more than charging. Apple says the 15 Pro is the first phone with 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, which will make getting photos and videos or large files of any kind off your phone vastly easier. All that power is inside a new, Stronger Enclosure, which Apple promises is some of the toughest stuff you'll find on a phone anywhere in the industry. Just based on what we're seeing in the videos so far, it doesn't look hugely different, but it's a big change nonetheless. The new devices come in white, black, blue, and natural colors. And naturally, Apple is extremely proud of the complex engineering behind the process. The action button, which replaces the ringer switch on the left side of the iPhone Pro, is a new button that you can customize to run shortcuts, bring up accessibility features, open the camera, turn on the flashlight, and more. Apple's marketing chief promised that the 15 Pro and Pro Max have Apple's best cameras, yet the equivalent of 7 distinct lenses. That includes an upgraded 48 megapixel camera that supposedly takes better low-light photos, captures less lens flare, and uses Apple's AI systems to take full-res HEIF photos. You can now change your default lens and shoot at multiple focal lengths: 24mm, 28mm, and 35mm within the main camera. You can also get up to 5x optical zoom, the most Apple has ever offered, to 120mm focal length. On the video side, you'll be able to shoot 4K 60 ProRes video on the devices or even shoot directly to an external drive through the USB-C port as long as you have the right cable. The 15 Pro can capture spatial video, the kinds of 3D content we've been seeing for the Vision Pro, though that feature's coming later this year. It's clear that Apple imagines the 15 Pro as both a consumer device but also a genuine professional tool for the creators and filmmakers of the world. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.